Have you ever noticed how putting something off feels easier in the moment, and yet later that same thing feels heavier? That's the avoider at work, whispering that if you just stay quiet or just wait until tomorrow, life will be calmer. But tomorrow turns into next week, and suddenly you're carrying stress, unfinished tasks, and unspoken words. Imagine how freeing it would be to reply to that message right away, or to finally speak up without the knot in your stomach. That's possible when you strengthen your mental fitness. Message me the word SAGE, and I'll send you a free tool to spot your avoider and start breaking free. Because when you stop avoiding, life opens up. Stress fades away, clarity grows, and confidence becomes second nature. Stay active, stay healthy.